How could people drive a car with tires like that?
Austin Matthews, less Maple Leafs.
What the fuck are you doing?
The Bruins in 8 games. So maybe that's the secret. It's no Austin.
Exit dive. No, stop. This is one of those stop signs where I don't get the point of why it's here. It should just be a yield sign. But yet it's there. So I guess we have to follow the rules, I guess. So I don't know.
As it should, or advance the story as it should. It had lacked the
headlights,
tender emotion of true love. Or
there you go. Good job.
There would have to be another.
Yeah.
Top tier delivery.
No, stop.
Godfathers.
A novel can never be as simple as a movie, Claudia said angrily. Why do you put movies down? I've seen you cry at good movies, and they are art.
Wait, what the hell's that guy? What's really? What
He had won his fight against the studio. He had his points. Claudia, I really agree, he said. Movies on Asian, when you can get it all in gouts of blood before your eyes, tortured, agonized faces on.
No, stop. Of course, that guy is driving around with no headlights on, probably his DLR lights. He don't care. Dystopia! Yeah, there was a dive for the right turn lane up there. That was a dive for the left turn lane. Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Did someone apply for special forces and get rejected?
Right, turn from middle. Toyota Camroid, stop it.
Oh my God. Hello, you old freckled mozzarella. I have a question, how to deal with a relationship. I'm in my 4 years.
What are you doing, dude?
Children of pets. I've started to see more and more things I have trouble to tolerate. She's starting to gain some weight and lives a bit unhealthy. I have no problem with the little chubby, but now there's starting to be
exit dive behind me.
She takes all these over-the-counter medicines every
undress him.
Who knows?
She did so gently, running her hands over his body as he had.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. You done messed up, Aaron! That was a dive for a left turn. See, I'm not the only one that screws up around here. That guy in the white did not stop. Ah, nice cutoff. Whoa!
I would say if the Chiefs go 20-0, 20-0, if you win 20 fucking NFL games,
that's a dive.
17 regular season,
really?
3 fucking playoff games, and
on its own terms. What's your favorite vegan meal? What's your go-to that you
exit dive?
I would really like a vegan. The teams in the Super Bowl. They were going to use drugs to make the team they bet against weaker as the game went on. The coaches and players
seriously, dude?
The fans didn't. And the FBI, too.
Get your truck. Whoa, whoa,
Scandal would
shit.
have set back off program maybe forever.
Yeah, you see that maybe this is not a good idea to merge last second, cutting people off with a truck that looks fucked up. I wonder how it got that way. You gotta stop, Toyo Turd. What are you doing?
Control is now gone, right? We don't have control any longer. That's part of what sucks. But I really think, like, as a piece of advice, I think when I wake up...
Red light run! Red light run! Red light run! Yeah, they weren't those fucking U-Hauls to anybody.
I do have very strong opinions about this. Can you please tell me how and why?
What the shit? What the How could people drive a car with tires like that? Really?
Children were little again. One terrible night, she wept and begged forgiveness of Cross for
Nice
what
cut
she'd
off.
done to her.
A question, of course we got to sort of think of landing this plane. In the old days, a computer virus was really just
Nice cut off.
people just trying to...
Yes. This could be a very big picture, he told Claudia. Very, very big. In fact, it can't be small.
Red light
I know what
run.
you're doing. You're a very clever girl. Clerk, a beautifully dressed man, had tears in his eyes
Really?
and said,
Put 'em streein', put 'em streein', but I'm dum 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 streein'. What the? I think your car has issues. I don't know. I'm sure you do. Hey, turn from the left, turn from the right turn lane. Stupid, dumb.
Buffalo came back and scored like 3 goals, so the talent's there. And
Red light run.
You know,
that was open at the top. Its walls and base covered with a thick, soft hair colored.
Red light run. Nissan driver.
Looking inside.